Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll discuss about the LoadRunner script. LoadRunner is one of most popular and famous tool which is used for performance testing. LoadRunner has three components. One is VUgen, which is called Virtual User Generator, used for creating performance test script. So once you will record your performance test script in VUgen, then it needs to modify enhancement. So after enhancement, it might be parameterization, correlation, or script like cookies, any other deleting, or any other modification. So after doing everything, there are many reasons you need to go back to the original script. In order to do that, LoadRunner has the built-in functionality which is called regenerate script. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you after modification, after enhancement, how to regenerate your test script, performance test script in LoadRunner. So this is a very simple trick. You can regenerate your any script at any time. That will save your time, and it is very helpful for performance test. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to do that. Hello viewer, now we are at computer screen. This is our today's agenda. Create a script for Web2 application, enhance script, then we will regenerate that script again. So I'll show you very short time, within short time, this process. So let's open the virtual user generator, LoadRunner virtual user generator. Go to file, new script and solution. Let me name with the script name LR regenerate, LoadRunner regenerate, then click create. This is our script. We will record our new script. So before recording, we have to start the server. So go all program, then go to the HP software, then sample. This is Web2 application. You have to start server. Server is running. Now we can record our application. So hit record button over here. I'm not changing anything, recording option as it is before. So start recording. Click yes. Recording started and it is open application. Now we'll do our transaction. First transaction will be login. So let's write login, hit OK, then create transaction. Start transaction will be LR underscore login underscore 01. That's name with that. Not LR, put TR transaction. TR login 01, hit OK. It is name though, you can name it anyway. So username ABC, just do ABC. Then click login. Once click login, you have to end your login transaction. Login transaction end. Then second transaction will be flight booking. Flight booking. Okay, then click start transaction, TR underscore flight booking. This is number 2 transaction. Okay, then click flight, then departure city, let's select Los Angeles. Arrival city, let's select Portland. And then select date, you can select whatever date you want. Let me do 3/25. Then return date is 3/28. So number of passenger 1. Seating preference none. Let me put it window. Type of seat coach, first class or business. Let me do first class. Select the drop down. Click continue. So here is the fare option, which fare you want to choose. Let me do the second one, then click continue. Now it is asking your information and credit card information. So as I did before, it is first name is test, last name something, and provided the address. Let me put the credit card number. I'm putting same name and address. Credit card number, it might be like a random number. You can put 654-852-3451. Let me do the expiration date 02/24, then click continue. Your flight booking is done. If you want book another flight, then you can click book another, then you can done another flight booking. So our one ticket booking is done. Then do the end transaction. Flight booking transaction is done. Now we have to do sign off. Sign off, then hit OK. Do the start transaction sign off, tr underscore sign off underscore 03. Hit OK, then click sign off. It is sign off already. Then click end transaction. It is done. Now your script creation is done. As I told, login, then book a flight, then sign up, or 3 transaction is done, then stop recording. Record has been stopped and it is generating your script. So here is the first dynamic value correlation. So our script enhancement done started over here. So first one is the dynamic value. We want to do correlate over here. Click correlate. Second and third one, it is not dynamic value. We are not changing anything over here. Then click close. You see over here correlation script already started. This one of script enhancement. One it is then deleting cookies. It is part of script enhancement. So delete the cookie. Then also in your script there are many more cookies over here. Delete that. Also we can delete this portion. This is Internet Explorer. Delete this one. This is basically Internet Explorer version issue. Then our script is so flight booking, second transaction, then third transaction is sign off. This 3 transaction. We'll do another enhancement. You already watched that multiple, like correlation one enhancement, and I have deleted multiple line of this script. Then click save. That means your script modified. Our intention is after modification we will go back in the original script. So we'll do another modification over here. That is, let's say same person will book another ticket. So only it will be changed credit card information. Let's modify the credit card information. Let's say I'll use another credit card. So right click, replace with parameter, create new parameter. So param name credit card number. Then go to properties, create table. Okay, then here is the credit card number. Then we'll do another credit card, edit with notepad++, just a random number. So copy this one. We'll do, let's say 2. We'll do, let's say 3. So save it, file, save. Okay, then sequential, each iteration it is done. Click close. then hit OK. No. So this credit card information, it is changed. So there is multiple change during enhancement. So once your change is done, enhancement completed, click save over here. This means your start point now, your script has been changed different places. So let's run the script and then I'll go back, regenerate script again. So let's go to application manually, HP software, then go to sample application, HP software, HP LoadRunner, samples, web tool application. Open the application, log in with user ID and password, click login, go to itinerary. You see there are multiple tickets already booked. Cancel all. That means no flight reservation over here. Now the reason I am cleaning up over here, I'll run my script and I'll book 3 tickets and I'll get back here. I'll check 3 tickets originally booked or not. So do sign up and close your browser. Now go to replay, runtime setting, run logic, make it 3, as we have 3 credit card information. Click save, close this, now run it. It ran 3 times and books 3 tickets as we expected. If it is run 3 times, it will book 3 tickets. Let's go manually your application. Let's go to the drop down. Here is my application web tour. Go to ABC, username ABC, go to itinerary. It is 3 ticket book. That means your script is working. So this verification point is done. This is not our agenda. Our agenda is our script generated successfully and it is working. For some reason, somehow, like we deleted our script line deleted, or we want to go as recorded script. So now our enhancements is done, the script is modified. Now we want to revert back in the original script. So what you have to do, you have to go to the record tab, then you have to do regenerate. When you will regenerate your script, you will not even see the correlation thing and also parameter thing, whatever we did for parameter credit card information. So let's do the regenerate record, regenerate script. It is asking confirmation. Yeah, okay, we want to regenerate. It is regenerating your script. So it is get back to the original main point. So let's close it. You see all the cookies is there, whatever is recorded as it is your script. So in this way, if you do any mistake or any other reason you need to regenerate your script, you can do this way easily. Easy way, you will get back your original script. I believe this video will be helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.